So we will test our prototype number 2 first. So this is our homepage. So our first task for you is to create a shopping list. So can you show us how would you do it?
I guess I'll press this button to create a new shopping list.
Great. So you will be directed to this page. And do you want to name your shopping list?
Just name it a random shopping list.
Can you show us how would you name it?
I'll press this.
So the keyboard will show up. Just pretend you're typing and tell us what is the name you want it to be.
It's going to be Thanksgiving shopping list.
Okay. So it will be Thanksgiving shopping list. Does this seem good to you?
Yep.
So what would you do next?
I guess I need to set the privacy of this shopping list, and then I will make it private.
Okay, private.
Yeah, and after that I'll click create.
So now you have created a shopping list. So this is your new shopping list. What do you want to do with it?
I want to add items into the shopping list.
Great. Can you show us how would you do it?
I guess I will press the shopping list.
So you said you want to add item to the shopping list. Can you show me how would you do it?
I guess I will press this item.
So you will be prompted with the following page. Can you show us how would you?
Probably search the item I need in the search bar.
I think that is blank for now. So do you want to add some item first?
I thought that's the way I add items into the shopping list.
Wrong. Come on, keyboard. Can you try another way to do it?
Well, maybe I'll press the empty fields here.
Then you will. So this keyboard will show up. Can you pretend you are typing and tell me what you want your item to be?
Turkey.
So it will be turkey. Great. So here is your new added turkey. What else do you want to do with it?
Sweet potato.
So you want to add another sweet potato. Here's a sweet potato.
I want to try this button.
If you click on that button, it will check that button. Means that you have already purchased it.
And I want to delete the turkey.
So if you delete turkey, the turkey will be removed. So now we will test how the user will use a map to navigate some nearby stores using our interface. So here is your newly created Thanksgiving shopping list. So can you try to find our map that helps you navigate nearby stores?
Probably this one.
That's not correct. That one is for new and deals. Sorry. Can you try another button?
I guess this one?
No. Sorry, that's a profile.
This one?
No, that's for friends. Okay, let me give you some hints. Can you try something on the top?
This one?
Oh, that's a bad hint, sorry. Can you
This
just
one,
click on
okay.
a shopping list? I'm sorry.
List?
No, the shopping list.
Add new shopping list?
The shopping list.
this.
You just click on the name of your newly created shopping list. That
Okay.
doesn't seem clickable, but sorry. So suppose this is your this is the content of your shopping list. So where would you click to find the map? If you have no clue, just try anything.
Here.
Okay, that is exit. If you click that, you will be directed back to the home page.
Yeah. Ooh.
Can you try another one?
Just click one item here.
Great. So you click on the location here. So the map will be shown to you, and the map looks something like this. Okay. So now we will test our history function. Can you show us how you will navigate the history? Oh, you're so smart! Okay, so now you will be directed to the history page. It will be something look like this.
Okay.
Do you want to try some functions?
Delete.
Or you want to delete your history?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then your history is blank now.
Okay, I want to exit.
You want to exit the app? Okay. Phew. So now we'll test our prototype number 1, and the function we are going to type is create a list and add an item to a list. So can you show us how would you do that?
This one?
Yes, that's a create button. So once you have clicked that, you will be prompted to the following page. It's blank now. Can you show us how would you name your shopping list?
I will click the
It will
shopping
be
list.
prompt with the keyboard will show up. So what you want your shopping list to be?
I want to call it, I don't want to buy anything.
Oh, that's a long name. I don't want to buy anything. Okay. So your shopping list is empty. What else do you want to do with it?
I want to add items to this shopping list, so I guess I can click this shopping list.
You want to click here?
Yes.
Sorry, clicking here doesn't do anything. Can you try other?
Maybe this circle here.
The right line, but not in the circle.
Okay. Click this bar.
Cool. So you will again be prompted with the keyboard. And what do you wanna your first item to be?
Bad apple.
Okay. Bad apple. So now you have a bad apple. Do you want to continue creating more items or do other things with it?
No, I want to delete this item.
Okay. If you hit that button, that apple will be removed from your shopping list.
And I want to go back to the main page.
You want to go back to the main page, so can you show us how would you do that?
This one?
Okay, that one will show you the nearby store. So this is still our prototype 1, and can you show us how would you find a nearby store?
This one.
Great. So the following page will be shown, and there will be a list of different stores. What else do you want to do?
I want to use a filter.
The filter button is there, but we haven't implemented that function yet. Can you try other button?
I want to click Safeway.
If you click on that, you are supposed to be presented a page with some more detailed information about that store, but we currently don't have that done yet. So again, this is our homepage, and can you show us how would you go to the history?
This button.
So you will be prompted with the following page.
Now I want to click this item.
So if you click on that, it will be showing us this.
Okay, I'll go back.
Oh, you want to go back?
Yes.
But these fields are all empty. Don't you want to do anything with it?
No.
Okay, great. So you went back.
Yeah, and I want to delete this history.
So you want to remove bad apple from our history. So now our history will be empty.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, so for prototype 1, it's too simple, so it's pretty hard to understand what I need to do in this page. And it's pretty hard to just use this button to navigate and to understand what I can do with these buttons. And I don't even understand why is this search bar here and what can I do with it.
Okay.
And for the second prototype, it looks pretty good actually, but some icons here, it's pretty hard to understand, and actually it's pretty hard for me to find the map.
Okay.
And I guess that's it.
Great. Thank you. So this is our second prototype, and this is the homepage.
Okay.
Can you show us how you would create a shopping list using this prototype too?
Okay, I hit this button, the plus button.
So after you hit that button, this page will be shown.
Okay. And I will type the list name here.
If you click on here,
Okay, I click here
You will
and
get
I
a keyboard.
type food.
so you will create a list named food.
Yeah. And I will set this list as private. I don't want.
What would you do?
I hit private. Okay, and I finish. I hit create.
So this will present you with that.
Okay.
Can you show us what would you do if you want to add an item to the food shopping list?
Put what?
Add an item to your shopping list.
Okay. So if I want add something in my list, I might hit. I don't know. I might hit the star.
Sorry, the heart button is for you to favorite a
Okay.
shopping list.
And I have no clue how I can add something in my food list.
Can you just try click on that row, click on the food?
Okay, I click
like
food. Yeah, I click food.
Okay, so you click on the food. Suppose you are presented with the following page.
Okay, and I will hit the add button to add some stuff. Yeah.
So
Okay, I hit the add button and I will type here for the first item. I will buy a banana again. And this is my favorite fruit. Okay. And I add one more. Okay.
Oops.
Add one more. So I add one more, which is potatoes. Okay. Yeah, and I hit the.
So this is a home page again. Can you show us how you would go navigate your purchase history?
So I might hit this button.
It will present you with the following page.
Okay. Yeah, so this definitely is my order history. So it means I ordered apple, banana, potatoes, and chocolate before. And if I want to purchase again, I just can go to history and click whatever I want to buy again. And this is the go back button, I think. 来吧。
Suppose this is another home page and you have the following shopping list already there.
Yep.
So if you want to find some nearby store, what would you do? If you can't see any, can you just click on anything that you saw?
So you mean where I can find the nearest store? I might hit this button.
Sorry, that one is not for the nearby store. It's our another feature, but it's now not implemented.
Is this one?
That is just a home page. Can you try click one of the list?
Okay, I hit Thanksgiving.
So it'll present you with the following page. This is your Thanksgiving shopping list.
So I will pick homemade turkey gravy.
Remember that you are trying to find some nearby store.
Okay, so I might hit here, the Whole Food.
So we'll present you with the following page.
Okay.
So we're doing prototype 2, the function creating a list. So this is the main page, and you can start the task now.
Okay. So I saw the title, the shop said it might be your application name, and under it is a search bar. I think I can search whatever I want to buy. And then I think this part is very detailed, and I love this part. It's like I don't know what's that all mean, but I definitely can know. It's like what I recently viewed the item, and this is like a start. Okay, so this is start what I want to buy the most, I think, and this is shared. I don't know what's that part mean. I think you can share the link with your friend, and if like buy 10 get 1 for free, so you can get more friends buy together to get more coupon. And this is more, and this is edit, maybe like add or delete something on your order list. And at the bottom, I think this logo means your shopping list. And this means fruit and vegetables, and this means plus or like pharmacy. And this might be the home button, and this is your like recent view history logo.
Okay. So the task is to create a list. So like, which button do you think you should press to create a list?
Create a list plus. Yeah.
So it will guide you to this page. So what's the next step we're gonna do?
I think I just click this button, and this should be pump up some list, and I will review it and pick one I want, and here should be the thing I clicked.
Sorry, that button doesn't do anything. Can you try another?
Like it's in the list creation interface.
So I hit this first, right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
and you
Then this appear, right? And
it's an interface for like list creation, so you can add things to it or add list names to it.
oh, okay. So I can put the list name here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so what do you want the name to be? Yeah, you can tap it and just use the keyboard.
Mm-hmm. Just pretend you are
Type.
like typing anything.
Okay,
there.
food.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is like a second part, second list. What I want to buy, or
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
No.
It's actually for items.
It's
Oh,
actually
okay.
an item.
so I think it should be here. Right, it's like a
Yeah,
supplement
if you
of the
consider
food.
this to be a list name, then
Okay,
the items
and-
can be there. But
And this is what kind of food I want to buy.
yeah,
Okay, so fish, meat, rice, like that.
actually, this place is for like the list name. So like, if we put the name here,
Okay, so this is the food.
yeah,
Okay.
and so the rest will be items.
Oh, okay. So this one might be like rice, chicken,
Yeah.
beef. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, I got
so
it.
that's a part that's confusing.
Okay. So you added the banana to the list, right? So like, what's next step do you think these buttons can do?
Okay. So if I don't want if I made a mistake, put the banana, I will delete it,
Mm-hmm.
and the trash can means delete. And I think
So-
this next I add banana on the list.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this trash can means if I made a mistake, I can delete the item.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this kind of arrow means I can
You can
go
actually try
to the next page and see where I can buy banana, like
Mm-hmm.
Target,
Do you want to try to-
Trader Joe.
You don't try to
I
tap.
want to try to click that. Okay.
Oh, wait a second.
Okay, so it 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 bring me to the next page, and I can see this is the item I pick, the banana, and I think this is a quantity. I think like I can pick like how many
Yeah.
bananas I want to buy,
You can
or
click it.
how much pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I just want to buy 3 bananas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I think this is the price for each banana, my cost or the total price.
Mm-hmm.
And this should be the location I will go pick up.
Mm-hmm.
And this category means banana is fruit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now can you show us how will you view the history of the purchase?
Okay, I think I should go the bottom of the app and hit this button.
Okay.
Yeah, and I
So
can.
you will be directed to this page.
Okay. So this is the history.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I saw in the history page I ordered a banana before,
Mm-hmm.
and if I want to buy again I can go to history and purchase again. And this is the back button, and use this button I can go back to the food list, the shopping list page.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You can also try the filter button.
Okay, I will hit the filter button.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so I think this part is very good. I can list all my history by different types, like purchase day, alphabetical, and category.
Mm-hmm.
So I might hit the purchase date
Okay.
to sort my history, order history.
Yeah, since there is only one item in it, so
Yeah.
it's just not change the
Okay,
order.
but like if I order more, maybe
Yeah, if you order
there's
more
a
than
way
there will be.
to sort my order history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you show us like the nearby stores?
Okay, I think this button can represent the nearby store, and I hit it. Okay, and I can see the nearest grocery store strand, and I can go here to pick up my banana.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I hit this button. Next page.
So can you give us some feedback after you experience with these two prototypes?
Okay, so I think this prototype overall is very good, but I think this button is kind of useless. And this bar is very, like, there's too much information in this bar, and make me feel dizzy when I look at it. And I also think this kind of area will mess me up sometime, because the first time I was thinking this one is the pharmacy link. Okay. And for this one, I think here might be a little bit confusing, because until now I still don't understand what those two represent. And definitely if I didn't add anything, there should be nothing here, so I don't know why you put this one here. It makes me feel that's like extra stuff. You don't need to. And I don't know, like when I go to the shopping app, why I should like connect like my friend. I can use WhatsApp or text message, even the Facebook to contact my friend. I don't think I should use this kind of shopping list application to contact my friend. And for sure, most of people don't want to share their shopping list with their friends, because I think this is kind of private stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.